fucking morning.
What's up, Nitro Gang? This video is going to be a little bit different than everything you've seen on this channel. We're not going to talk specifically about any one RC. We're not going to talk about these cool, vintage, collectible Nitros I have right behind me. The other day, I was on the OfferUp app. That's where I do a lot of my buying of older RCs. And this one dude, man, he seriously pissed me off. It was an offer. We're going to go through it later. You guys will see exactly what transpired. I just want to say, if you're a seller and you're trying to sell your stuff, the number one thing a buyer wants to see is an asking price. You can't just go out and say, hey, give me your offer, because that is exactly what I did to this dude in the OfferUp ad, and he responded without even giving me his price. Man, I gave you my offer. What's your counter offer? That's how negotiations works. You can't just ask a person to generate an offer, in which case I did, and then just, laugh at me. That's what this dude did. That's why I'm a little bit upset right now. But listen, it's not all that bad, because I want to show something new on my channel. You guys see this? It's a damn tuned pipe. This is a 2000 Megatech Gladiator Tempest. This is a 10th scale Nitro car with a 2-speed, baby. You see those gears on the bottom there? That's what you call a 2-speed baby. This is a Chris Chanelli motor. More about this later. In fact, I might dedicate a whole video to Chris Chanelli and his products. This is the radio the Megatech came with. Super funky. Of course, it's AM. You want to see where the power switch is? It's in the back. You have to open up this little latch. The power switch is right here. Man, this thing is like funky beyond belief. The trigger, it is so hard to press, man. I don't know how I'm gonna actually be driving this, but look at it. It's cool. These things are pretty rare and collectible now. These Megatech products are, I kind of like them, to be honest with you. Kind of stuff I grew up with. I'm also going to be joining a Facebook group. We're going to do it on a live video. You'll see how I'm going to be answering their questions, because it's a closed group. So I'm pretty sure they're going to ask me some funny questions, and I'm going to respond the way the Nitro Gang wants to respond. Alright, let's continue to the OfferUp deal, and we'll see what has got me pretty irritated while I'm making this video. There is one guy that I was trying to buy something from, and yeah, this guy just pissed me off. Let's go to my messages. It's all saved over here. It's this guy. This is his original ad. There's just one picture. I'm going to click on it. I could tell it's a Savage 25 with a relatively okay body, a Nitro Rustler, stock tires, and a dirty red cat. So we got 3 Nitros. That's already a good sign. I could see some have value. The Rustler has value. Savage has value. This is usually going for like 120 on the used market, if you're lucky. So overall, yeah, they're all good RCs. I want them all. Now, I'll tell you this. Whenever they put a price of 0, you already know that they're going to be a troublemaker. You know that they're going to be like bullying you in what they're trying to sell you. Let's see what this guy says. Nitro RC cars. All different prices. DM me. We'll do deals. The most I could say is no. One is a bullshit model. The second is a Traxxas Rustler. And the last is a Savage 25. They don't make those no more. And I know what everything is worth. Low ballers will be ignored. Contact info removed. Okay, so this guy basically knows what everything is worth. He's going to ignore the low ballers. And then he's saying, the most he could say is no. Price is 0, bro. You know what? If you're trying to sell something, you put a price. Your only job as a seller, my dude, is to put a price. So let's see what I have to say about him. We'll go to my messages here. Of course, I'm just trying to just get a price out there. And whenever someone puts a price of 0, this OfferUp app automatically, you can only pretty much bid of what they are offering. So it looks like I bid 0, but I didn't, trust me. So this was just done to get the conversation going. He goes, send me offers on them. I replied, 150 total. He goes, LMAO, enjoy your day. I said, thanks, no problem, you too. Pretty much I realized, listen, if I'm going to throw out a price 150, I'm just trying to get a feeler for this dude. He put no price. He didn't put down anything. He just said, oh, no low ballers, throw me anything you want. I did that, bro. I threw out whatever I wanted, 150, which I think is a good rate for at least the Nitro Rustler out here. But listen, your only job is to respond with, your price. As a seller, that's your job. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but I constantly get people trying to sell me things, and then they're not giving me any prices. So let's see how long it's going to take this guy to sell this. He didn't even throw out a price that he wants. He could have come back and said 350. We could have negotiated and settled somewhere in the middle. But listen, if you're gonna make deals like this, you know what? Just like, dude, have a great day. I just don't care. Let's see what else this guy has for sale. He's probably not a fan of the Nitro Gang. Probably doesn't know who I am. Otherwise, he would have known, you know, not to give responses like that, which he did to me. It's actually pretty close to where I am. I live like in this general area of Staten Island, next to the Verrazano Bridge in this area. So I don't mind going to pick this up. I was looking at this Red Cat the other day also. I have a conversation going with this dude. Pretty cool RC, guys. So let me just show it to you. It's a fit scale RC. Pretty cool looking thing. It's a fit scale. I could tell it is like a Rampage style design, the way the tank is mounted, the way the center dip here is placed. It has no tune pipe. This is a canister muffler. Upgraded shocks, upgraded rear shock towers, and it has road wheels. The filter looks like a genuine Red Cat. The front here looks like a Red Cat. Let's see what he wrote. Red Cat Racing Rampage Rally. I have the Rampage Rally XR, and it's not this. It's not this chassis at all. He goes, be the biggest and baddest on the track with the raging monster called the Red Cat Rampage Rally. This high-powered beast runs on a mixture of unleaded gasoline and two-stroke oil, and packs an enormous, adrenaline-filled punch with a powerful 23cc. Okay, I'm not even going to continue this. 23cc, baby. So let's go to my conversation with this dude. We'll see what it says. So originally, he lowered the price, but originally it was $600. I offered him $300, which in my opinion is not terrible. For the description he put in with like the mess of wires that is going on here, the body looks like, I don't even know what this is, and it's missing decals. It's cool, but it's missing decals. 23cc, you know, old Red Cat here. He goes $500, which is not ridiculous. I mean, bodies like this are expensive. You could probably pay like $150 to $200 just for a body like this. Pretty cool RC, but personally, yeah, $500. That's a little too much. You could buy a brand new Rowan Baja for less than this. And guaranteed there's gonna be issues. First, exhaust. You need to get an exhaust for these cars. You can't run canister muffler. What is this scratching going on top here? It just doesn't look good. Looks very weird. Body posts, I could see minor cracks around them. Other than that, the body seems to be okay. Yeah, I wouldn't spend that much money for this. There's a group I wanted to join. It is private, 10,000 members. Somebody told me to join this. They have some good listings here for sale. And let's see what it takes. I'm going to join the group. I'm sure they'll have some fun questions. Let's see. Answer questions. Okay. Your request is pending. Do you understand this is a Nitro sales page for Nitro RCs? Yes, bro. This is the Nitro Gang. I know all about Nitro RCs. My God. Let me in. How you like that? That's a pretty good answer. I'd let anyone in with that answer. Let's see what else they got. Do you understand that if you start an argument about how you think electric is better, you will be removed and blocked? Here's my answer. I promise not to argue because we already know that the Nitro Gang is number one, because we can yell 2-speed baby. That's reality. Why do you want to join this page? I wrote, because I am making Nitro great again. Also, I need to maintain at least, Also, I need to maintain at least a 3-to-1 ratio of Nitro RCs to electrics. Got to keep my numbers high. Submit. Admins have received your answer. Okay, admins. You better let the Nitro Gang join. We're going to see how this goes, if they let me in or not. Nitro Gang training, baby! Assisted by the associated MGT 8.0. It's got a damn helicopter engine, but I have myself some weights. Let's do this. Basic curls. 1, 2, 3. Nice and slow. The slower the better. You want to feel that squeeze. It isn't even about the reps. It's about taking it nice and slow. And time under tension, baby. Do it until you can't do anymore. Don't be a hero. Don't even count. Just do it until failure. Can't get it. Help yourself, bro. All right. Switch hands time. Get the angles
I want
going.
to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come
Notice I'm
on.
not even gonna count, because it doesn't even matter. You just gotta get the weight up. You got to get the contraction in.
How do I fucking get bigger?
You gotta feel the burn, so to say.
More.
Literally. The slower the better. That's all I got. That's all I got. I became a damn wimp because I got myself a couple electrics in my fleet. What I should have been doing is constantly driving associated MGTs just like this in order to get big. See you later. That's not it for the arm workout. We're gonna do a couple more curls. Once again, slow. What? I don't know how much weight this is, but it's a lot. That's the look I want to see on your face when you're lifting. I get sweaty from one freaking set. I lift my weights rich and loud, just like I run my damn nitros. Get it up, get it up. That's all I got. I feel the burn. And not damn Bernie Sanders either. The damn nitro gains burn. Later.
Good fucking morning. I want to fucking pull you out of the sack